Hi, this is Paris from Rapid Visual, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can prototype the entire business model canvas using AI. Now, we're already working with a case study here of a solar-powered power bank, a value proposition that we came up with. The AI already helped us come up with emergency power backup as an alternative value, perhaps to a different customer segment. And we also realized that we can offer it to outdoor enthusiasts, the ability to have the solar power wherever they go, but also to food truck operators, the emergency power backup. But maybe there's a few more things that we already have in mind going into this conversation. For example, we already know that we have a key resource that could be, and we type it in directly there, maybe there's an invention behind this. Maybe there's some intellectual property on a solar panel that goes on top of that crazy small device that is 20x more efficient than anything else out there in the market. Maybe that's why we came up with this idea to begin with. So whatever key resource you have that you're leveraging to create this value for the market, you get a chance to type that in directly. So we click on that, but then we also know that we have some good manufacturing partners in place. So that's another thing. We don't want the AI to come up with that. We want to tell the AI the context, the reality that is us, and then maybe allow it to help us brainstorm the rest of the stuff that anyway we would be guessing for. So we click on that create partner, and then the next thing we do, we go, I don't really know what else to put here. I can start to creatively come up with ideas, or I can just click generate and let the entire thing generate automatically and give you a place of edit. Because it comes up with all sorts of interesting things that are contextual based on every other action you've taken on Rapid Visual until this point. And now it's closer to reality than you may think. But you still get a chance to edit, which is what I'll do here. For example, I'm not interested in licensing fees, so I just click on the X, approve that I want to delete that, gone. And maybe I want to add something else. So I click on the plus. I really had subscription in mind. But let me see if it comes up with it. So I click to generate more. It gives me subscription model. There it is. I wanted to have a subscription business model, the holy grail of business models. So I click on create that element. Now I have my target in mind. I want to create a business model that has a revenue stream of subscription. But I'm also looking at some of the other things here. And for example, maybe I'm not interested in construction workers. So I click on that, get rid of that, and now I'm closer to where I want to be. As you play and iterate with this, eventually you come up with a business model that you accept, not one that's just imagined by AI, but one that was assisted by AI to help you brainstorm and perhaps widen the scope of what you may have in mind or you and your team could think of using the power of AI. Have fun and keep innovating.